Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. And hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's me Muhammad Fatih Ahyan. And today I'm gonna make a videos about I'm gonna explain it about what is bootstrap for. Yeah. So bootstrap is like structural, yeah, for HTML, CSS, and many more that make us more easier or make development more easier because they are the uh, over they are the adding some of we can say like navbar or form or something like that, so the developer doesn't need to write in manually all of that like that. So maybe we can say simply it's a template. Yeah, it's like it's more be like a template. So developer just like copy and paste to the Visual Studio Codes simply like that. So let's go to the website Bootstrap. You can find it on the Google. This is the website. Like I said before, Bootstrap is like a structural working structure that CSS that open source or free for designing our websites and other things. It's make our work more easier, guys. So just click it. You don't need to log in anyways. Just go to docs and you can search a lot of things in here. Like, oh yeah, by the way, before you start the bootstrap, it can be like directly compass without anything else. No, it can be. You need to download it first to your Android Visual Studio Code, or maybe you just use the CDNs. Maybe like there's a link that and you can call and you can pass it on the Visual Studio Code like this. Wait, uh, maybe firstly I'm gonna make the like usual. If you want to start a new website, make sure you make a new documents for save it. Maybe you can name it example. Okay, like that. After you open this Visual Studio Code, you can make a new file and then name it index.html. And after you're creating the HTML structure or the skeleton like this, you can edit the bootstrap via CDN like this, the second one actually. You can copy it and pass it on the head category like that. Maybe we can like this. Okay. Uh, After you're adding the, you can say the link, the source code, the CDN downloading. Oh yeah, I want to explain what is the difference between CDN, alternative CDNs, or downloading directly to your Visual Studio Code. The CDN is used internet for access the Bootstrap website. Okay, so if you doesn't have internet, I recommend to use download uh, ways for make a Bootstrap website like that because it's need to be connected to internet to access the Bootstrap like this. Okay, After you're making this, after you copy and paste this, you can simply make it anything you want in here. For example, in the body, I'm gonna make a navbar maybe. You can search it, navbar. This one, and there's an example on the top of the code. There's a code that you can paste it, and on the top of it, there's example of the navbar that will be you're making. Yeah, like this. There's a drop down. So make simply, Bootstrap is like a template for making a system in your, or maybe a feature in your website like that. You can copy it to clipboard and then paste on the bodies like this. And like usual, if you want to see the results of your code, you can download the live server and go live. Starting. Okay, it's loading. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. Wait, I think I forget about something. That's the actually download GDN is on the top. This one. Nah, that's it. Oh yeah, my mistake. If you want to download the Bootstrap via GDN, you must copying the code on the top like this. I forget about that. Okay, just copying. Okay, we're gonna try again. Nah, like this. Yeah, this is the basically the result of the navbar via Bootstrap like that. You can actually search in here. So there are the figure it all of the things in here that you can copying and edit it that you like. Like you want that, or maybe you can add it form. Okay, we're gonna try form password. This is the overview. Email address, this password, check me out, submit. Like that. Oh yeah, by the way, the bootstrap that we use in this video, we use the 5.3 bootstrap. This is the latest bootstrap or the newest one. So we're gonna try maybe in the this one below the navbar section. Nah, this one. So below the navbar section, there's email address and yeah, there's a formula. You can say that. And for the edit of the navbar, yeah, maybe you asked about this. It's really different between like you editing usually using CSS of JavaScript. Actually, Bootstrap is support the CSS, but if you want to edit like the you must see maybe for example, yeah, you want to edit the color, you must search for the color first, and then there's a lot of colors that they already give to us like that, and you can add it like for my leads. I'm gonna make it big. So how to edit the bootstrap? Basically in bootstrap will be edited like this. So behind the yeah, behind our, yeah, behind the class section, there will be navbar name, and then you can edit the class by you want to do. For example, MB for margin button, or maybe NT for margin top, something like that. You can edit it like that. Yeah, basically it's like HTML, but if you want to edit it, you can. I mean, it doesn't need the CSS for editing, like the colors or the margin top, something like that. You just need edit behind the class. So there's APA too, or maybe, yeah, basically if you want to make a website, I mean, or really, if you are newbie in the website development, you can use Bootstrap as your basis system, like that, and you can edit it more or explore it more by yourself. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. If I have a wrong in my uh, tutorial, I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.